Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Do you have to report that Form 1099-B on your tax return? The short answer is yes, you almost certainly do, and here's why you can't ignore it. A Form 1099-B, which is for proceeds from broker and barter exchange transactions, is a record of sales you made during the year. This could be from selling stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or even cryptocurrency through a broker. Think of it as a receipt for your investment sales. The most important thing to understand is that your broker sends a copy of this form not only to you but also directly to the IRS. So, the IRS already knows you received this money. If you don't report it on your tax return, their computers will automatically flag a mismatch. They'll see the proceeds you received, but they won't know what you originally paid for the investment, which is your cost basis. Without that information, the IRS might assume your cost basis was zero and try to tax you on the entire sale amount, which could lead to a much higher tax bill and a scary notice in the mail. You have to report it even if you lost money. In fact, reporting a loss is good for you. This is called a capital loss, and you can use it to offset other investment gains. If your losses are greater than your gains, you can even use up to $3,000 of that loss to reduce your regular taxable income, like your salary. So, by reporting that 1099-B with a loss, you could actually lower your taxes. What if you broke even? You bought a stock for $100 and sold it for $100. Even with a zero gain or loss, you must report the transaction. This shows the IRS that you are properly accounting for the proceeds that they were already told about. Reporting it completes the picture for them and prevents any questions. The process involves using the information from your 1099-B to fill out Form 8949 and then summarizing it on Schedule D of your tax return. Modern tax software makes this incredibly simple. It will ask you for the key numbers from your 1099-B, like the proceeds from Box 1D and the cost basis from Box 1E. You'll also note whether the transactions were short-term or long-term, which affects the tax rate on any gains. In short, whether you made $1 million, lost $50, or broke even, that Form 1099-B must be addressed on your tax return. It protects you from the IRS assuming the worst and allows you to take advantage of any losses you incurred. Ignoring it is one of the easiest ways to get a letter from the IRS. Thanks so much for watching. If this video helped clear things up for you, please hit the like button and consider subscribing for more simple explanations of common tax and finance topics.